Yo, what's up, guys? If you're tired of waiting months to see results and you just want to glow up ASAP, this video is for you. No BS, just straight up tips to level up your appearance, confidence, and overall vibe. Let's get into it. All right, first things first. The glow up doesn't mean you've got to spend thousands on fancy clothes or hours in front of the mirror. We're talking about simple, effective steps to look and feel better fast. Ready? Let's start with the basics. If your skin's breaking out or looking dull, no amount of nice clothes will save you. Here's the no-nonsense routine cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize twice a day. Keep it simple. If you're not using sunscreen, start today. I'm serious, fellas. UV damage ages you fast. You'll thank me later. Just get these basics down, and you'll see a difference in days, not months. Next up, grooming. Stop letting that beard or hair get out of control. Keep it sharp, but don't overcomplicate it. If you're not sure what style suits you, here's a trick. Go for something clean and simple that works with your face shape. That's all you need. Pro tip, find a solid barber and stick with them. A good haircut instantly upgrades your look, and clean edges on your facial hair game changer. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to start looking better. Consistency is key. Focus on simple bodyweight exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, and squats if you're just starting. Build up that muscle tone, especially around your chest, shoulders, and arms. And don't skip cardio. It helps you burn fat, gives you more energy, and just keeps you looking sharp. Trust me, it's worth the sweat. Now let's talk style. Here's the deal. You don't need to chase trends. Just focus on getting clothes that fit you well. A plain t-shirt and jeans can look 100 times better than an expensive outfit if they fit right. Stick with neutral colors if you're unsure: black, white, gray, navy. They go with everything and always look clean. And for footwear, a solid pair of white sneakers will elevate most casual looks. Your appearance is only half the battle. Confidence is the real glow-up. And here's the truth. Confidence comes from taking care of yourself, setting goals, and smashing them. When you feel good about your routine and your progress, it shows. Start building that mindset now. Get out there, challenge yourself, talk to new people, step outside your comfort zone. You'll be surprised at how quickly you start to feel and look like a whole new person. So there you have it, the No BS guide to glowing up fast. Take care of your skin, get your grooming in check, start a basic fitness routine, dress sharp, and boost that confidence. You don't need to wait months to see results. Start today, and you'll feel the change almost immediately. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-up, no-fluff guides. Let's get to work and level up together. Time to glow up, fellas. Let's get it.